Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. I hope you can hear me because there's a sea rolling into the shore here and it's making enough a racket. Well, anyway, we're fishing at Buckpool Harbour today. Never fished here before. I didn't come to expect fit kind of granite is and stuff like that. I maybe just lost my gear first cast. I didn't care. But we're going to get a go. I'm saying we because Phil's here and all. He's a wee bit further down the pier. There's not a lot of room here, so I'm just casting one rod just now. Or I see if it happens. Because as I said, I've no idea if it type of granite is here. Well, anyway, I have a gripper weight on, 5-ounce gripper weight with 6 prongs on it because there is a good bit of motion. Now, I'm showing a 4-hook rig, as you can see here, and 2 of the hooks has got big floats on them, like a pop-up float kind of thing, but a big one. And they're all size 5/0 Aberdeen hooks. I've just got a bit of bait elastic and whop it on a bit of a mackerel on each hook. I think the main line's 60 pound and the snoods are 40 pound. I think, anyway. I can't mind. It's a while ago since I made this rig, so you can forgive me for forgetting. The snoods are about maybe 12 inches long. Anyway, I won't cast that out. I'll put a set of bails on. And hopefully they'll start ringing out. A fair bit of sea coming in here. See Phil down here, look, the back of me. He's, I think he's just shot one load and all. It just doesn't seem to be a lot of room. The way this pier's angled. I mean, it looks really shallow out the other side there. So I'm trying to cast up this way. And this dike is kind of blocking me for seeing for through the nuke. And it's too high for me to look over the top of. Anyway, I'm really glad to get out fishing. Ever since New Year, the first couple of weeks of this month was heavy snow and gales of wind with it. We did get a break after a couple of weeks and I managed to get out in the boat. I have actually caught fish this year. It was 2 or 3 bonny haddocks and some bonny fightings and all. Of course, this time of year I get my rawns out of the haddocks and I love rawns. They're really good to eat. The road's jumping about a bit, but I think it's just the sea, it's making it do it. Oh, what's a rattle? There's Phil, come on, look. How you doing? What's happening down here?
I've only just got the bait in.
Okay.
Yeah.
No rattles or anything down here?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
You got anything?
I did hear a couple of rattles here, I knew, but there's a lot of motion coming into this harbour.
Yeah, there is.
And it could be that, Ken. Oh, is that a rattle?
Could be. Yeah, there's something there.
It could be just emotion. Aye, so after all the snow, as I was saying, go out in the boat and we was catching plenty of huddocks. But I mean, that was just one weekend. After that weekend, gales are wind, and it's been like that for a couple of weeks. I'll let you see up here in the Nuke. That's what we've been picking up with, and lush and rain and all with it. And it's actually still like that on the east side of the coast. It's nice about round here at the Buckpool kind of way. There was forecast for a suppy rain today, so I'm hoping it passes us, because it's no good where there's cameras, there's electrical stuff, microphones and that. No good for filming. I can't believe there's blue sky up the back here. Oh, it's just great to see the blue sky again. Look at that over here. There is that grey clouds lurking about, look. Watch that sun would come out. It's been out a fairly new, so I want to haul it up and check a bit. Let's if I get the rig back. Come on. Nah. Good. Whew. Sticking in something. Oof. No, I've got all my hooks back. That's good. The bait's not even touched. I'll put a fresh bit of bait on and put it back out again. Oh, the big roller coming in. I'll wait until this is passed. Ooh. Sheesh. This must have been a fair size of harbour, but as you can see, this is a harbour entrance. A hell lot is filled in. I don't know if there's been a few storms and it's filled up. Father ends a harbour, must have just given up on it. I don't know if it's a council harbour or what it is, but they must have gave up on it and just covered it in. Which is a shame. It's a bonny harbour and the piers look pretty good. Now, had a bonny wee brig here. Right, we're going to make a shaft for Buckpool. We're going to want to nip being to Buckie Harbour. I mean, it's just been a road here, half a mile or whatever. It was here this morning before we came here, and it was dark, and there was lumps of water coming over the top of the pier. We didn't want to chance it in the dark, so we're going to be in just now. We're not getting nothing here, didn't get any bites. Thought I got some bites, but I think it was just emotion. And we're not getting nothing here, so we'll go and get to go being the road a bit. This is Buckie Harbour. Find the pier here. And my first cast. I'm just using the same rig just now as fit ahead at the Buckpool. No idea if I'm casting until probably are rocks and shallow ground, no doubt. I'm just going to tie this onto this rail so it doesn't take off, because a gust of wind took a hold of my tripod, blew it over, broke off one of the log things. I didn't think this is deep here. Casted out a fair bit, and maybe just sitting on top of rocks. It's the first thing out. I'll go and set up my other rod. Maybe put smaller hooks on the next thing. This is my second rig and what shot. Just got 2 hooks. They're size 3 O's maybe. Snoods are maybe 16 inches maybe, and something like that. And I've 12 is a mackerel. Now, this rig was left in the boat the last time we was out fishing a couple of weeks ago. And one of the snoods was missing. They just flung it in a bucket. So I picked it out because it's a lovely rig, look. Good swivels and everything. Clips on it. And I put another snood on. Another hook. Well, I want to get that out. I'm not sure if it's side. I was thinking I'll maybe cast on the inside, or maybe just further up the pier. I'll just decide in some up a bit. Right, all this rails is broken away. It's not a very safe pier, but there's a bit of rail here. I'll just cast it out here. That's it, drops it. It's guy greasy on this pier. I've actually got a stain and a pail and hanging onto my camera tripod so it doesn't blow over. There's a fair breeze of wind. Pilot boat coming in, look. Nips on that pilot boat, eh? Now Phil, can you, if you look hard enough, can you see the fluky fisher, Alexander?
Well, I think he'd be up there, wouldn't he? Yeah, he'd probably be out. Yeah.
What that way? The other side. Oh, it's a pilot boat back out again. Maybe just doing sea trials or cities there. There's maybe no oxen, but it's recht fine to be out after all that course weather. It's still a storm around the other side of the coast for Humphrey. Oh, out again. Must have plenty of fuel to burn. I seen here grew with a couple of rattles. Could be just grindies or something, chawing at the bait, or maybe a lobster. Fine if it was a lobster. Just a bit of patience. Relax and enjoy the day. I mean, the sun's even out. Can't believe it. Look at that over there. Beautiful. It was raining earlier on this morning when we first came in about. It seems to have petered out. I'm going to haul this in. It's banana filey. Just see if it can stay at the bait is in. And See if I get my gear back. The pilot boat a while back in again. Right, number one, I'm going to get my gear back. This is the first haul here. Oh, it's coming. Oh well, that's a good sign. Oh well, it wasn't sticking anyway. Put the gear back now, brother. Now, bait doesn't look as though it's been touched. I'll maybe just freshen it up and fling it back out again. At least I got my gear back. Just a guy roosty frame met de pint en spier. It's weer niet een pint. Left in the top, it's okay. The rest of it's not looking good. Come on, fishy, fishy. As you can see, there's a fair bit of swell here today. That's my pail hanging on a tripod, look. With a lump of concrete. And that keeps it from blowing over. Yep, that's a worker. Buckie boat. Fine booty. A bite in that in. Oh, here's a bite in us in. First bite of the day. Yes. Yes. Come on, fishy. Well, if there's running going, it must be small. They've actually put small hooks on now. Yay! Yeah, beauty! Yes! Yes! At last! Boys, that was a long time coming. Come on, fishy. Well, let me get my disgorger onto this. He swallowed the hook, but I got him out with my handmade disgorger. And look at that. Goodness, I've never been so glad to see a fish. It's maybe a small flounder, but he's beautiful to me. Look, kissy and get you back. Come on, Paul. Watch here. It's awful slidey. Really slidey. Go. He's away. Yes! Great stuff. Now the difference has been small hooks. I put on a set of small hooks and that's the first haul with them. I'll maybe hit the odd bit of the road and all, just to try and get hold of something and save the day. I want to get it baited up again and get it back out. Now it's a trap set. I did hit one road on the inside of here barrier, which if you do that, you have to watch for boats going out and in and shift it as quick as you can. But I didn't get any bites, so I've got small hooks in both the rigs now. I think I seen the size 1s, 4s and 8s on the other road, then it cost the fluke. I think it was a size 4, it cost the fluke. If you're not getting anything, you've got to change hook size, not to see if you can get something. I was hoping for a codlin this morning, but they're few and far between, especially up and down this coast. Oh, there is something. Hey! I think it's a buddock. Oh, I think it's a wee buddock. Yay! Yeah, beauty. Well, that's 2 species. Look at that. 2 species. Get see and get them back. There you go, pal. No.
Can I just say what a privilege it's been to fish with a legend today.
Well, not much of a legend today. Your hands are freezing.
My hands are freezing, yeah.
Mine's as well.
Bucket, yeah.
You'll have to get
cold hands, warm heart and all that.
oh,
yeah.
aye.
Yeah.
You'll have to get hand warmer things. Where's your hummel doodies?
They're in the bag.
And so why didn't you name your hands?
Weight on. You've got stinky hands with
Okay. I thought you could take a work of fingers though.
I haven't really got a dexterity. I think my fingers have stopped working. Look at it, look how white they are.
Aye, that's no good at. No good sign that. But anyway, we've still got 3 roads out fishing. Our husband rattles, and not even a few rattles, but at last time I hauled it, there was nothing on it.
No.
There was some baits missing. So we're just going to fish as he's out just now.
Yeah.
And if there's anything, if there's a big code or something comes up, I'll let you see it.
It's been so good to get out, hasn't it?
I mean, really good to get out.
This is what,
Yes.
it's the 28th of January, right? And we've been out once. We did Fraserburgh,
Aye.
and we've done this.
Right. So, but I go out in the boaty, and I got a few fish in the boat.
Yeah.
The huddocks and the fightins and that.
Yeah.
And I got my rans.
The rounds.
Oh, they were lovely.
But what with all that snow and the rain and stuff,
Aye.
it's been hard this year getting out.
Really
so far.
hard.
So hopefully
I mean,
February makes up for it.
Well, I hope so.
Get back on the beach.
Back on the beach, see if we can get a turbot or something.
That'd be good,
Just,
wouldn't it?
or anything actually. A grindy does me.
Yeah, fish. Do you reckon it'll be the year of the weaver again?
Yeah, I don't know, that was strange. I mean, I'd never catched a weaver before in my life.
And we had loads of them.
Loads of them. Yeah. So, but anyway, it's
Tight lines from me, tail wag from D.
and take care of D, and I'll catch you after for me.
See ya.
I've hidden the keyring already, and it's hidden at Buckpool Harbour. Where we started off fishing this morning. I'll just come back a bit and let you see. This is Buckpool. That's a harbour we was fishing. Just in front of the car here, there's a wee gap between that pale and here. You'll see down here where my foot is. Underneath that stange is the keyring. Just for a keyring is. Whoever finds a keyring, mind and put a comment underneath this video, letting us know that you got it, and it lets somebody else know I need to come looking for it, because somebody's already got it. Good luck with that.